Hello. So we're now at week 2 of our JG Better For Me challenge, and we're using the Jamaican Proverbs Journal, 52 weeks journal, right? And we're at week 2 where we're looking at today for you, tomorrow for me. There are some activities that are associated with that proverb, so let's get into it. Today for you, tomorrow for me. What does that mean? Everyone will face problems or achieve success in his or her own time. And the journal is asking you 3 times you felt jealous. Um, how did that make you feel after? Was this behavior helpful to you or others, or did your jealousy affect someone else? What did you do? What did you learn from this experience, and what did you do after? You're also asked to rank your jealous behavior today out of 5. How jealous are you? And this week's challenge is you're going to be rejoicing for someone's success without being jealous or bad mind. So let's get into it. 3 times you felt jealous. I'm not going to get into 3 because I'm not really a jealous person, but I remember in high school when there was this girl who her father and mother used to drop her off at school every day, and they come and pick her up. And me, though, I had to walk a good little distance, and then I had to take 2 taxis to get to school in the morning. So I had to leave from Flint River to Richmond and Richmond to Highgate. Sometimes you get 1 taxi that goes all the way to Highgate. Sometimes you have to come off of that taxi and get another taxi. And can I tell you, it was very difficult. So sometimes when I reach to school, the little breakfast that I had, that gone out of my stomach. So I was just jealous. I was jealous that my parents were not the ones bringing me to school, and that we had such difficulties, financial difficulties. Did my jealousy, was it helpful to others? I think I wasn't jealous in terms of a bad mindset, but I said that, boy, I really have to work hard at changing my circumstances, because being poor was not something that I enjoyed, right? So I had to help myself. So I would say it was helpful for me because I recognized my deficit and I wanted to change that deficit, especially for myself. And now I've changed that deficit for my children. How did that make you feel? I felt really bad because I had to be walking every day. Sometimes the rain wet you up, and hello, I had to cross river, so so if the rain fall, river come down, you can't go to school. Yeah. So what did I do? I studied hard. I took chances and risks, and I studied hard. What did I learn? I learned that if you work hard, your jealousy can be a good thing. And I don't think jealousy. So you have bad jealousy and good jealousy. Jealousy mean like, oh, I'm so jealous, but not that you're hating that person. No, that mean that you're looking at that person like, look, I can be like that person. So I learned that if you recognize your deficiency or your inefficiency and you fix it, it can really work out, right? What did you do after? I didn't really dwell on it. I just understood that I was from a humble background and that I had to change the situation, and no one was coming to save me, to do it myself. Rank my jealous behavior. I'm not a jealous person, so I just say I'm I'm not a jealous person. I'm not. So how would I rank myself? I'm a 1 out of 5. Yeah. And my strength is that I really celebrate people when good things happen to them. My weaknesses is sometimes you're not seeing that full picture of people who are out there highlighting themselves, and you are presumably thinking that someone is successful, but really and truly you don't know how or what they did to get to where they are. So sometimes you have to take things at face value. And the reward, what would be a reward? If I rejoice for people, that makes you feel good, and that person will feel good, and you can learn from that person, whoever it is that you're celebrating. So that would be the week 2 activity. You can buy the book at Amazon or on jamaicangal.com. Any of the two. See you next week.